Welcome to ABC Science Experiments. Let's learn with Luno, Dero, and Tria.
A is for acid-base volcano. Boom!
B is for balloon rocket.
Zoom!
C is for color mixing. New colors appear. D is for density tower. Look at the layers. E is for egg drop. Safe landing. F is for floating paper boat. H is for hovercraft. Floating fun! G is for glitter storm. Sparkly fun! I is for ice experiment. Ice experiment. J is for jelly experiment. K is for kaleidoscope. So colorful. L is for lemon battery. Power from lemons. M is for magnet fun. N is for Newton's cradle. O is for oil and water. They don't mix. P is for pendulum. Q is for quicksand jar. R is for rainbow in a glass. S is for static electricity.
T is for tornado in a bottle. U is for umbrella science.
V is for volcano eruption. W is for walking water. X is for X-ray craft. Y is for yeast balloon. Z is for zebra milk experiment. Great job, kids! Like, share, and subscribe for more science fun. It's time for ABCGrok. Learning letters, having fun. ABCGrok.